In this video, I'm going to show you everything you can do to get the fastest Wi-Fi speeds on your router pretty much instantly. Your Wi-Fi isn't slow, it's being held back by 5 tiny mistakes. Fix these today and you'll double or even triple your speeds immediately. These fixes are completely free, so no excuses. Fix number 1 is the easiest fix on this list. Move your router to the right spot. This alone fixes most Wi-Fi issues. Your router is probably sitting in the worst place possible, behind a TV, stuck in a cabinet, or stuck in a corner like it's in timeout. Wi-Fi signals hate walls, metal, mirrors, microwaves, and your annoying in-laws. Well, not your in-laws. So here is the quick and instant fix. You want to put your router in the open and keep it mid-height, and the optimal location will be in the center of the home if possible. You want to avoid TVs, aquariums, microwaves, thick walls, closets, and of course your annoying in-laws. Do this and bam, you'll see coverage and speed improvements immediately. Fix number 2 will more than double your speed if you are currently using the 2.4 GHz band. To double or even triple your speeds, you want to switch to the 5 or 6 GHz band. Most people don't realize things like baby monitors, security cameras, garage doors, microwaves, Bluetooth devices, they all slam the 2.4 GHz band with interference. If your device like your cell phone or laptop is close to the router, then choose the 5 or the 6 GHz band for faster speeds and less interference. To connect to the 6 GHz band, you will need a Wi-Fi 6E or Wi-Fi 7 router. But don't worry, if you have an older Wi-Fi 6 router, the 5 GHz band is plenty fast. The maximum range for the 5 GHz band is around 400 feet. However, this band struggles to go through walls and obstructions. So in most homes, the actual range is much shorter. And the maximum range for the 6 GHz band is 115 feet. However, in real-world scenarios, the maximum range is much shorter. Just remember, keep your router in the center of the home so your devices will stay close to the router. So switching to one of these two bands will get you faster speeds instantly with zero extra work. Alright, fix number 3 is change your Wi-Fi channel, and this one is huge. You may not be aware of this, but your neighbors are probably on the same Wi-Fi channel as you. That means your router and your neighbor's router are basically battling for the same airspace. To fix this Wi-Fi issue, log into your router, and then go to wireless settings. Now look for advanced settings, and from here you should see channel settings. For the 2.4 GHz band, choose 1, 6, or 11. And for the 5 GHz band, choose 36, 40, 44, or 48. Or choose 149, 153, 157, or 161 if the lower channels are congested. To find the best channel for your location, use a Wi-Fi Analyzer app or your router's built-in scan to see which channels are least congested. For better stability and signal penetration, lower channels like 36 are often recommended, while the higher channels can offer higher speeds. Simply changing your Wi-Fi channel can boost your speeds up to 50%. Wow. Okay, fix number 4 is restart your router the right way. Yes, turning your router off and on works, but not the way most people do it. Instead, turn your router off. Do this by unplugging your router, and then wait 30 seconds. This allows for the capacitors to fully drain, and then plug it back in. This restart clears the router's memory, resets the radios, fixes channel congestion, and solves bugs most people never notice. Do this once a month, and your Wi-Fi stays consistently fast. Alright, fix number 5 is update your router's firmware. Your router's firmware quietly pushes updates that improve Wi-Fi range, fixes bugs, adds faster and cleaner channel handling, improves security, and optimizes the 5 and the 6 GHz band performance. To be honest, most people never update their router. Good news, you can instantly fix hidden performance issues with just one update. So go to your router settings, administration, firmware update, and click check for updates. And here is a bonus tip. If there is an auto firmware update that can be enabled, then enable it. It makes this fix automatic. Boom, free upgrade. So now your Wi-Fi is blazing fast. Now make sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And for God's sakes, smash the bell icon. And I'll see you in the next video real soon. Peace.